spirit can never rest in peace. The spirit of those guys who want you people. Look at you. If you scam again for the nonsense you register in America. Look at you as association, no profit. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your madam came to Roman program yesterday. I thank God that your madam now watch my program. They are from court. Where's ORABUEZE? Yawo putalai. Ebon kedibe no se na emedu. Ebon charity. Na by olu by 12 o'clock. Then I even go see hospital. Then here. Although edebere they no ando ya gotan. Mana meje ke video.
This is for freedom fighter. This is for freedom fighter. Every day. This is for freedom fighter. And I feel
freedom. All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We're back again on a new video reaction. I told you yesterday that the mad people will surface again, and because I know this video that CS tweeted yesterday about what Jigawa people said, and we have watched the video. I think I have the video here, so I believe many of you have watched the video. Why I predicted that, because I know that video, that post is somehow made for intelligent, not intelligent, let me just say made for real sensible people. All right, because I knew these people that they have a way of propagating lies and promoting propaganda. They will do everything to twist it, and finally my prediction had come to reality. So you need to understand that when I predicted that people like this woman, many of them will surface to twist the message. It's not because I am smart or anything, but if you check their antecedent, what they have done in the past, you can do the same. You can see through everything that this is what they intend to do, and this is what they have to do, because that is who they are. Finally, this one is here and is doing what I just told you. Now listen, let me just allow her to voice her so you will hear. Okay, this one is still playing something. Let me just wait for her to go through through this one. Then you will hear her comment on other video. For example, this one. Let's hear.
Okay, good afternoon, every one of you. My name is Twite. I'm from Jigawa State. Today, 30th August, which is equal to Saturday, 2025. Title of our lecture or message for our leaders of tomorrow is Promoting Peace and Human Rights in Nigeria. Now we are going to see how to promote peace or peaceful in our great country, and challenges faced on some parts of the country, a path forward. Introduction. Nigeria, a country rich in diversity and culture, has faced numerous challenges related to human rights and conflicts. The killing of indigenous Nigerians, particularly in Biafra land, and the attacks on farmers in Zamfara State, Benue, Katsina, and Kaduna States, and also persecution of Christians in Plateau State, Jos, are pressing concerns that require attention and action. Understanding the issue. Number one, how we can understand this issue. Biafranism, the historical and cultural context of Biafranism and its peoples. Number two, farmers or harder conflicts. There is a great conflict between farmers and herdsmen, especially Guri local government area to Jigawa states. The complexity surrounding farmers had a conflict in various states. Number three, or the third one, religious persecution.
Now, when you see how she just calmed down, she was talking over the guy, meaning that she don't even care to hear the message that the guy is delivering. It's not her business. She's just waiting for opportunity to say what she already have a response, in her mind. Whatever they said in the video, whatever the write-up says doesn't really matter. What matters to her, it gives him opportunity to tell you that Ngozi Olabeze have done this, Ngozi Olabeze is there, Ngozi Olabeze, he recruit this one. That's all. But for you to understand the message or try to reason from what the message is all about, it's not her problem. Not only her, but I think I know I why Lazuba is different, a different species. Her own her own idiocy is second to none. So the only thing I want to do is to go just to react here on this her video, and reason is not because it's Lazuba. No, she actually called me out to talk about it, that she want to understand more what is going on. Maybe that since we Kai report is analyzing analyzing everything, I should come and analyze this one. So I am not just trying to analyze it for her, but for her to know that I have actually done the video before she even get to know it. And I said that they will come out and start telling you that is Ngozi Olabeze, oh no, Ngozi Olabeze and her siblings. And I said it, and that is what she's here doing. So just pay attention while we go through it, and make sure you like the video in case if you have not subscribed to the channel. Then let me remind you that we have created a new WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp, we don't, as if you have the old one. We don't have we just really have WhatsApp channel, but it's not. I don't get response because they're not allow you to comment. I like to have a group that I can get feedback. You understand? So for me not to get feedback from that WhatsApp channel have made me not to, take it serious. But we have a new WhatsApp group based on what the platform is doing, because I've noticed that it is difficult. It is not difficult for us to receive notification. So the owner of the platform sometimes probably send notification to people and they ignore some. Like one of my account that I use to check it, it happened that that account is not receiving any notification whatsoever. So in that WhatsApp group, we'll be telling you, like if you are to go live, we will post it there because people have complained with I don't get notification, I don't do so. I will be sharing something in that WhatsApp group. So from time to time, just check the WhatsApp group, you will get updates and know if you are live or not. Please, how to join? I have sent the link here on this platform. You can have it, or if you have my number, you can message me to add you up if you wish, because some people don't want to be in any group and all that. So I understand. So if you're one of those, the group is not for you. It's not meant for everybody. It's meant for people who actually in a kind of a supporter of the platform, like you like what we are doing, you want to, you know, um, recognize us in terms of you want to be part of the family, then you can join. All right. Let's continue. Lazuba, continue your yapping.
The challenges faced by Christians and other minority groups in certain places. Alright. Human rights principles. We are going to see the
She's not hearing anything, though.
Number one.
No, not at all. She's just waiting to strike.
The fundamental right to life, liberty, and security of person. Number two, non-discrimination. The principle of equality and non-discrimination, ensuring that all individuals are treated with indigeneity and respect. Number three, freedom from violence. How to free from violence. The right to be free from violence and intimidation. Fast forward. Firstly, dialogue and understanding. Now we are going to see
ndị jigawa ka a na-agụzi national anthem Biafra. Achọrọ m ịkpọ ya na my program. I can never pray Biafra national anthem for Jigawa. Ọ dịghị possible. N'anya ya ọkụ na-afụgie ụlọ ọfụgie dị na ọwụzie na ịgụzi ife ederede na Ngozi Ala bụ gworo Fulani si na ya anabata ndị Jigawa na Biafra land. That
And that is not what she has said. Let me just put it out there. That is not what she said. In fact, let's go to the post. I'm not supposed to do that because I've done it, but for clarity, remember, she claimed that she don't want to play Biafra national anthem because it's for Jigawa, for you to see how senseless people can be. The Jigawa people at home playing your national anthem, respecting you. Though, what am I talking about? Are you not from Sudan? So you don't understand. You are not happy because they are not playing Sudanese national anthem. Okay. You see, I don't honestly. This is what they said. What you don't know is bigger than you. But unfortunately, some of us, when things are bigger than you, you are still head bent trying to claim that you know it all. Just a moment. So this is the post, okay? Direct from COS handle, direct. As you can see, I'm recording it just direct without editing anything. Now, when you come here, you can see that the post was made on this day, 31st August. All right. So it said breaking Jigawa State indigenes seeking for, you understand, seek USB support and citizenship. They are the one seeking for you to support. Please support us. We give us your citizenship. We want to be part of you. They are the one requesting. From the hills of Jigawa State, Nigeria, to caves of Obunike and River Niger and Benue, the world and the youth of the Nigeria and Biafra has risen daily, calling for freedom and sovereignty of United States of Biafra. Look at it here. An independent USB is an independent USB is freedom and justice for all Nigerian indigenes. So this is where they twisted it, that what it means is that the USB is for all Nigerians. An independent USB is freedom, justice for all Nigerian indigenous citizens, meaning that it's a helping hand, is a way of telling, like, if nobody represents, like, as Nigeria is today, if war break out, for example, where do you think we will run to? Where mention that neighboring country? Is it Cameroon that also fighting war? Is it where do you think you are going to go? Now, if you have a country like Biafra and Nigeria or Arewa or Dudua, it is motorable. It's very easy. Few hours you're already in another country, depending on the provision, depending on the relationship between the two countries. But in this case, what CS trying to say is an independent USB is freedom and justice for all Nigerian indigenous citizens. The USB government is tested and proven across the whole Nigeria and Biafran land. Okay? Every life will be protected, human rights maintained regardless of religion, gender, or culture. I will give what Nigerian has deprived its indigenous citizens. It is a promise. I understand that we are not an English speaking people. Like, though we do speak English, but it's not our marathon. We learned it, so we are not actually. You can't brag about it. Some do, but you understand what I'm talking about. But when you see some people mistaking some of this write up and the comment, somehow I don't blame them, honestly. But where the part that I don't like is, that you cannot, you are struggling to understand what the message is all about, yet you still want to argue about it. What is the connection? It doesn't make any sense to me. So I hope you understand what. So I have you have seen the write up, okay? Then compare it with what Y researcher is saying here. Compare it with what she's saying here, because she's trying to tell you that COS, everything is about them, about the Fulani, which I predicted this yesterday. I don't know why some of us are not getting it though. But let's continue. Let's continue. We must finish this Let me, set it, adjust it properly. Okay, just a moment.
Individual. I'm did you do on Kumakia? Jenny na Twitter handle before delete here because on here. Now, Ngoza Rabeze, Sinawe leader of the Biafra here. Ngoza Rabeze, Jenny gave example of his work. Everyone another charity. Ndị na-atụ ego ahụ wụdị Biafra o wee wụrụ na Jigawa. Jigawa ka a na-agụziri national anthem Biafra kwarị na Jigawa na-ekwu okwu Nigeria. You see, agwara m ụnụ na dis woman jiri ụlọ okwu onye ọbụla na-eji atụ Ngozi ọla bugolo Fulani na alụsị dokwa ledi alụsị ahụ backfire gị. Onye ọbụla na-anọ na-akpere ya ekpere sị ya na ya adịrị ya mma dịkwa very careful because this woman ji ogwu jide ọfọ. The only of you now from Ngozi who for young we deceive for Biafra from the beginning. Betrayal batopie, betrayal of batopie, a bank of Funaje. Man, all me even on the for this place and can't make it up. It's a Japanese idea. Because who you would you do for? Ungozola basic you would you do for? Or one of those or hiding on we.
Okay.
But it goes on a basic tweet this nonsense. He were leader. Oh no, isn't he were leader? Never try Biafra. Andrew go see your friend in the river that Biafra land. That humanitarian house near them, the mother they call me, and Biafra land, because also none did other than to the Nanafamulo. They wouldn't and the Nigerian distinct wouldn't.
Okay, I understand what she's trying to say. She's trying to, dig out the details of COS speech about the humanitarian fundraising, that the money donating is to take care of people that have been deprived of something, or those that have lost their loved ones, based on the SSS killing of the security force of Nigeria and all that. But the only thing is that you cannot, you must not know everything. There's some information that is meant for you, some are not meant for you. So questioning that is that some of the things simply means that you're a criminal. That we most of us see this woman as somebody who have mental issue, mental challenge. But the thing is that it's not only that, she's showing the vibes of criminality or a criminal. You cannot what you are asking is meant for government and cabinet members. You don't need to, it's not your business. So if you want to know where they're giving the charity and everything you are talking about, the question is, who are you? Are you not Sudanese woman? We talked about your name, that your name is Lasuba, that your place of birth is in Sudan. We have been saying this for this now. You ignore it and start talking about other things to show you where they're doing humanitarian fundraising and all that. Humanitarian armed giving and anything. It's not humanitarian could be anywhere. Since you want to put it that way. So if you think that the money is going to Jigawa people, so be it. Then if you don't like it, then what you should have done is organize your own fundraising. Guazo Majans, sit here, the one back, you can message the humanitarians na buy. People who cannot even accept to lead for just 1 week, become a leader for 1 week, and now about tika. Then they are the one trying to question, oh, where is the humanitarian way? You cannot, poke nose on everything and get it where you want. It doesn't work that way. You are not talking to fools. These people know what they want. If you actually give them this woman want, like if somebody devote his or her time, then it's okay. I'm not a leader. This is what I'm doing. This is how much you're raising. This is what they will petition you from back that you are sponsoring terrorism. That look at you are they will do everything to charge you like money laundry, that that kind of thing. That's what they do. Okay, and this woman is doing that to prove that she's an agent, pure agent. There's no two ways about it. Now listen again.
And then when cause no nobody check about NATO. This has to go see a way to eat this one. You don't need a second. Oh, na Biafra or the two in a Jigawa, or Tajigawa. Was it I am about Jigawa Biafra land? Wouldn't fly in the way. Because I went away in the flying, Ndausa, Ani, Ndausa.
That's a moment.
Oh, no, but I present or Adriam.
Just a
They
moment.
are very careful.
Just
Because
hear
this
this.
woman, you don't for. Do you know if you are not from NGOZI? Who, but for young we deceive Biafra from the beginning. Betrayal Batopie, betrayal of Batopie, a bank of Union. Man, all me on the map for this place and can't make it up. A Japanese idea. Goes with you don't for. Almost on a basic you don't for. Because he won't on a minute. Or one on Cosoleso or hiding on we. But in goes on a basic tweet this nonsense.
That is why for that ghost man that is calling Adandoch, Lasuba, and what's the name of the man called what's the name of this man ORABUEZE, right? All of you calling her, praising her, and all that. After you laid calls on yourself in name of you are laying calls on COS or Kai report or anybody. Why is such a Lasuba is here telling you that you are laying cost on yourself because according to her that COS is not hiding anything to you. Now you think that you are with her, she's turning against you, reversing that course on you. You may not understand it, but I'm not gonna say much about it. Just listen.
He were leader. Oh no, isn't he were leader? Never try Biafra. Adrungi. Go see your friend in the river that Biafra land. That humanitarian house here, the mother on the come in a Biafra land, the house non to the other than to the Nanafamulo.
This is why every sensible human being can agree with me that this woman is an agent. If you understand what she's trying to do here, anybody that can think deep will understand what she's trying to do here. And I cannot, I don't, I'm not, I have resolved not to deep, sow my hands in anything that has to do with men on ground and the activities of, because I know many people, we have a lot of bad people these days. Some will come to you, show me what you are doing, what is going on, show me what she's doing. She's not doing anything. If you show it to them, they will convert that thing that you show. Maybe you will show them as if like they are your brother, your sister. They will convert it as an evidence against you. That's number one. But they are the ones shouting, "Oh, show me, show me, show me, show me." Once we show them, thinking that they want to, gain their trust, that is the end of everything, all the effort. They did it to some number of kind. Oh, you collected the money for transmitter. Where is the transmitter? Where is the transmitter? Matakano, what can I check or prove or nowhere now? What if he got to an balloon never till the money? Okay, see the transmitter is here. It's not even up to 24 hours. That transmitter where the DSS went to the location where they kept it and carried it back to Abuja. The money spent gone. Evidence against Master Makanos first. Two things at a go. Are you getting the point? Now, the same thing is what they're doing. If not that I saw the group chat of this fall back and fall deep and Lazuba's Republic, I wouldn't, if not that I saw the chat, like where they're digging on how to get evidence against US. The same evidence that they're asking you to show me, show me, show me. Once you show them, they do. You understand? That is what this woman is doing, and her own is more deadly because she's working direct to the source. If you know, you know. Based on her comments, based on her activities, there's nothing you will tell me. Honestly, I don't have any double feeling about it. Watch.
Now nobody check one out. When I go see it, wait to eat this one. I want to be a friend or two tweet and a jigawa, or Tajigawa. Was it na ya nabata Jigona Biafra land? Also, Obubu Fulani in Buai.
She did not say anything in all we have all that I have shown you now. They write up the video, nothing like that. But I get Kunyan, she will have to add it up so that it will smooth the narrative.
Because now when they were in the Fulani, they take advantage of it. Because if on our sector or soon now when you Fulani, go when I cause abomination.
Better keep quiet. You get this too much. I should get so irritating.
They are very careful because this woman you don't for. The only of you and NGOZI who but for young media deceive for Biafra from the beginning. Betrayal batopie, betrayal of batopie, a bank of Funi. Man, all me even not the made for this place and can't make it up. It's a good idea. Because which you don't for. Ungozola basic you don't for. Because you don't know name. Or one of those or hide you on we. But Ungozola basic tweet this nonsense. He were leader. Oh no, isn't he were leader? Never try Biafra. Andrew go see your friend he believe that Biafra land. That humanitarian house there, the mother neko made na Biafra land, because us non and then do na family. They would the Nigerian distinct.
Afe mana maragazo.
Now the body check over
Afe na maragazo.
Go see wait to eat this one. Oh, na Biafra or the two tweet na Jigawa. Hope that Jigawa. Was it na ya na bata Jigawa na Biafra land? Eba na boso. Obubu ndo Fulani na Buai. Because na Obubu na Buai ndo Fulani nda Hausa they take advantage of it. Because if on our sector or so na wonye Fulani go when I cause abomination. Because someone under Fulani to cause abomination and are free. So now so there's a idea upon the one answer. Now so need an outside the Lagos the everywhere. Hide this conversation with a different. Only you take it also now when you was. You don't know down from maybe also now when you're funny. You when we can't here. So Jigawa down like a how. Hunter did the same thing. All of them. Omoro Yango. Bana no can. Bana no Castina. Ghana Mana no go to Kadunandi. Other than I know down and deep. There is no time. These people of like.
You see, she's just defending Fulani. Could it be because Fulani is Sudanese somehow Fulani related? Are you trying to? Could it be that she's trying to defend her people? I'm just saying, don't mind me. But it could be true. You never can tell. You never can tell. I'm not saying that I have the evidence, but you know what I'm talking about because she's just trying to blame our Hausa people and exonerate Fulani somehow. So if Hausa people are hiding using Fulani, that's to tell you that Fulani are the one committing the crime itself because they are the boss here. Say something.
So actually konyo na fusienya. Konyo na fuya ine ejebiga. Konyo na fungozi ne weteru nu Biafra. Na the first image. Ngozi ye woputa no. Owoputara ya utundi Biafra.
Liar.
Owoputa utumu aka Biafra. No ndu Jigawa. Ndu Jigawa kwageda tiraya na kwa ya madawa na Biafra land.
Because you don't even understand what the message is all about. You don't even bother to understand nothing. She did not tell you that Nega Nabata. She did not say anything like that. You are quoting her wrong. Even if she says it's Nega Nabata, it's not a bad thing. As long as they are coming as a visitor, not like you are giving them land to occupy. So I don't understand this woman.
Yeah, Biafra nationality. And you can't do anything.
There's nothing like that in her tweet. She did not say that. It was the people requesting for it. They are two different things. I'm just saying it not because of Lasuba, but for some of us that may not understand what the message is.
Then onye akụrụ kwesịrị ị na-eti ọfọ n'isi because o si egbu ụmụnne ndị Igbo anya dị egbu ụmụnne anyị and anya dị wee wụrụ a foolish people some of them ndị Igbo ka na-eso Ngozi wee na-ege ntị all this ana m akpakpa problem of analyze you come and analyze this one when I want television you come and analyze this one because we want to understand what is going on. On the media, on why because was a line of Biafra. Even this one mean on your problem of progress of analyze. In analyze how you teach we will progress and in a progress. Please, we need you to come and analyze this one for us. Kai television. Almost once I done them and they couldn't analyze the panel. I can analyze on web and then we couldn't analyze that and cabo to the we Biafrans we want to know. Oh no, but to be a tweet something I may understand. Don't media thing after Kawani or Fuma.
Okay, like I said, to tell you what first and first, I am not a media team of NGOZI. According to your word, when you say media team, I'm not in a media team. All right, I am a Biafran, and I'm in support of freedom, of our freedom. And NGOZI, according to your word, is not your mate. The lies that you are raining on her, you yourself know that you are lying. You know. Oh, there's something that you said that I did not capture here because of the minutes. For the sake of those that are going to watch the video, this woman said in this video that she said that COS is in a mission, and that anyone that is on a mission like her always focus on that, and that person don't listen to any advice. That person focus on that mission to make sure that they accomplish that mission. And when you begin to check her characters and her activities, you will notice that she is doing the same thing. She don't take advice. She don't listen. You are the one calling people names. Trying to tag people of what you yourself are doing. So coming to this issue of this post that we're talking about, I have already talked about it here on this channel. Okay? So if you want to know what I said about it, it's already there. But this one is to let you know that I got your message and you are talking nonsense. COS DPM.ORABUEZE is not your mate. Number two, Biafran don't know who you are. We know who she is. Biafran don't know where you come from. People know where she come from. Okay? And if you say, how many people know? But nobody knows your own. And since people said that you are a Sudanese woman, since you comment on everything, this is making it 3 to 4 days now. You have not said anything about it. And now just much because Sudan. Because you are no longer behaving like you. You go on about the Q1, the Q2, Q3. Sudanese woman with Lasuba. You did not debunk it, you have not validated it. That makes you a criminal. You have to choose one. Are you Lasuba Alsudani or are you Lasuba? Lasuba of who? Of Adaja and Sudan. How did you know about Biafra movement? In the lost choosing, I may choosing who are you? I am a Biafran, who are you, Lasuba? So I don't understand your activities. So everything about, if you actually want to learn about what happened in the video, then make an official request. Not this year. If you want to request for a better understanding of the write-up and the video, make an official request. My number is in the public. You can. Okay, no, I block you. Just make a video like we normally do because you can't get me on WhatsApp. I have blocked you already. So just try make a similar video like this and tell your people to share it. You know how they normally share it, and it will get to me. Or you may call that part and post it alone. We're just maybe 5 minutes. Can I report? You said that I should request for this. Do it. I will do it. I will not detail you. Interpret it very, very well for you. to understand, because I can see that you don't understand. You don't understand what they're saying, what the video is all about. You don't even understand what the Hausa man was saying, and the Hausa you're talking about is not even a Muslim; it's a Christian. Although even in why Jana world religion, your religion you could put this na libe call a religion, get religion, you go get a religion, a coba. Ganokwala now. Mokamoy na akpọ akwagharị gị ife. Ọ bụgo na ego ndị ya chọrọ gị, so how many months ka gị na ha reach agreement? Ịma ndị na-ekwu na ka akpọ okwu afọ Ibu John.
Oh yeah, in Alo. Now your madam have to tweet this one again. You people should come out and analyze this one and explain why Jigawa, why you
Like I have already analyzed it. Okay, so you can also go and watch it. If you did not get it, you want a better one, official one, then make an official request. Everything, all your questions, I have an answer to that in terms of the one you have asked so far. And remember, you challenge, you call for debate too. How about it? I'm waiting for the reply from you. Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it. God bless you, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. Your comment is always appreciated. Please comment and let us know what you think about it. God bless you. Bye-bye.